In the present setup, we have connected a excess noise generator to the input of the preamplifier, and the output of the preamplifier has been connected to the coupled port of the noise injector cum impedance analyzer. The other port of the injector has been terminated into 50 ohms, and the output port has been connected to the noise figure analyzer. Now we observe on the display that the display looks like this, and this particular port, input port of the noise injector, is now the test port for us. Now what we are trying to observe is that in order to keep the noise figure of a subsystem or a device chain to a minimal, we need to match the system impedance to the normalized impedance of 50 ohms. So we need to keep the input impedance and output impedance in all the subsystems as equal to 50 ohms. For this particular purpose, this noise injector cum coupler or cum impedance analyzer has been provided. Now we observe that at the test port, when we connect a cable, we start observing the structural return loss of the cable in the form of ups and downs in the graphical pattern. Now we connect this thing to the input of our device, which could be, say, an antenna, and we observe that the antenna has been connected, and this will bring down the noise display slightly lower, showing that the impedance is matching to the 50 ohms impedance. We will try to observe the same when we terminate the input port to a reference 50 ohms termination provided. We observe that the signal goes down immediately. That shows that this particular termination has got a very high return loss, and we must strive to build all our systems with as close as impedance to 50 ohms as is physically possible, in order to keep the noise figure of our system under check.